Well, if you travel up and down Route 7 in Vermont, Mac's convenience stores, maybe the one here in Brandon, sells pre-made grinders. They make them in-house. They're $5 as you can see. Excuse me. Not too terribly bad. However, usually you ask the lady behind the counter, she'll add on some lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, peppers, whatever you want. But when you get a snooty old cashier who doesn't want to do what you get, this is all you get. So basically, I'm not going to sit there and argue with somebody. I'm hungry. I'm starving. It's late. And so I figured, okay, a video is worth my efforts. Want to piss me off? Here you go.